Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Let's learn Bahasa Melayu by just watching. Today I'm gonna explain to you all about Bahasa Melayu pronunciation. Pronunciation. Bahasa Melayu or Bahasa Malaysia is the same like English. It has the vowels. It's important to remember that every syllable of Bahasa Melayu word requires a vowel. Because without a vowel, the Malay language word could be soundless. In Bahasa Melayu, or now officially it's known as Bahasa Malaysia, there are 6 vowel phonemes, namely A, E, second E, that is we call E puppet, I, O and U. Okay, we go to the A first. A sound is pronounced A. A, short, just A, as in ta, ba, and therefore S-A, sa, Y-A, ya, saya. Saya means I, is pronounced saya. Second, mata, eyes, is pronounced mata. Kaya, rich, is pronounced kaya. Okay, this is the official sound for A in Malay language. But what I said just now, the pronunciation saya, mata, kaya, is a very official pronunciation that we can say we rarely use in outside, in conversation. So what do we pronounce in conversation, both formal and informal situation? A in the end sounds E. Not all words, but almost all words that ends with A in the end sounds E. For example, S-A-Y-A, saya, saya. Mata, kaya. That's how we pronounce, with the vowel A. The first A, but the last A, most of the words sounds E. Saya, mata, kaya. Second vowel is E. The first E is pronounced air, as in mare, hare or pear. Therefore, M-E-J-A, M-E, mare, J-A, ja, meja, is pronounced me-ja, or A in the end, meja, meja. Sewa, rent, is pronounced sewa or sewa. Okay. Second E is known as E puppet, is pronounced E. The first E, air, second E, and the sound is very short indeed. Therefore, K-E-R-A, kera, is pronounced kera. Kera is monkey. Or kera. P-E-T-A, peta, is pronounced peta or peta. So how do we distinguish between these two E's? Actually, there is no rules. It requires you to read more and know more words, Bahasa Melayu words. Next, I. I is pronounced E, as in feed, did, etc. But the sound is not long, and therefore pipi, cheek, is pronounced pp. Biji, seed, is pronounced bg. Kiri, left, is pronounced kiri. O is pronounced or as in law, raw, and therefore bola, ball, is pronounced bola. It's always bola, not bola. A in the end, a. Bola. Roti, bread, is pronounced roti. Topi, hat, is pronounced topi. Last vowel is U. U is pronounced U as in boot, suit, and therefore susu, milk, is pronounced su. Buku, book, is pronounced buku. Guru, teacher, is pronounced guru. Another word for teacher in Bahasa Melayu is cikgu, and cikgu we use more than guru. In closed syllable, that is to say when these vowels are followed by a consonant, the above rule still stand. In the end is the consonant, so the same rule applies. Like before, S-A-Y-A, saya or saya, but you add P here, it becomes sayap. A vowel, A in the end, but it's between the consonant, it becomes A, no more A. Like S-A-Y-A, saya, but if we close with the consonant in the end, it will become A. Sayap. Sayap, wing, is pronounced sayap. Padang, field, is pronounced padang. Merah, red. E here is air, the first E. Merah, red, is pronounced merah. Dewi, also the first E, Dewi, means goddess, is pronounced Dewi. Perang, perang, or perang, is perang actually, perang, war, is pronounced perang. If different pronunciation, this is perang, the second E purport, and there is another word, the first E, perang. Perang means brown color, while perang means war. Next, ketam, crab, is pronounced ketam. Pipit, sparrow, bird, is pronounced pipit. Kikis, to scrape, is pronounced kikis. Lompat, to jump, is pronounced lompat. Tongkat, walking stick, is pronounced tongkat. Kasut, shoes, is pronounced kasut. Rumput, grass, is pronounced rumput. Okay, that is open and closed syllable. Then we go to diphthongs. The diphthongs in Bahasa Melayu are AI, AU, and OI. AI is pronounced I or I, as in sai or tai respectively, and therefore misai, mustache, is pronounced mi, sai. Mi, sai. Misai. Pantai, beach, is pronounced pantai. Tupai, squirrel, is pronounced tupai. Au is pronounced ow, as in now, how, cow, and others, and therefore ker, this is the e purport, the second e, ker. Kerbau, buffalo, is pronounced kerbau. Kerbau. Hijau, green, green color, is pronounced hijau. Pisau, knife, is pronounced pisau. Oi is pronounced almost like the English oi in boy, toy, joy, and therefore kaloi, kaloi is a kind of fish, is pronounced kaloi, kaloi. Amboi, amboi means oh, is pronounced amboi. Tampoi, tampoi is a tree name, is pronounced tampoi. The consonants. In general, the pronunciation of consonants in Bahasa Malaysia is the same as in English, but the following should be given special attention. C is pronounced ch. C is ch, as in chair, chin, much. G is always hard, such as in garden, gun, globe, not as in ginger. G is g, garden, gun, globe. Hash, when used as an initial, is very soft and hardly audible. For example, he, dung, hidung, nose, hulu, handle. The medial H should be distinctly pronounced when it stands between two similar or different vowels. H in the middle, for example, pahat is clearly audible. Pahat, chisel. Pohon, tree. Another word for pohon is pokok. We use pokok more. Sahabat, companion. This is the old spelling of sahabat. The new spelling is A here. Sahabat. This is old spelling. Sahabat, companion. Sihat, healthy. Mahir, skill. Bahu, shoulder. The final H is soft, but unlike the English H, this must be distinctly pronounced. Example, lebah, B. Rumah, house, not rumah. Merah, red. Sawah, rice field. Tanah, land. So H in the end must be clear. Lebah, not lebah. It's rumah, not rumah. Merah, not merah. Sawah, not sawah. Tanah, not tanah, and so on. And K in the end is soft and hardly audible. It's not exploded as in English. For example, bu, bu. D-A-K, da, budak, child. Perak, silver. E-A, the first E, A. Perak, silver. Tarik, to pull. It's soft, not explode like in English. Not budak, perak, tarik, no. It's just slow or soft. Budak, perak, tarik. And R, consonant R in the middle. Its penultimate syllable should be distinctly pronounced. For example, kertas, kertas, paper. Harta or harta. It's harta, but we pronounce harta. Harta, property. Derma or derma, donation. But the R consonant, if it falls in the final syllable, it is hardly audible. It's like silent, but not silent. Lapar, hungry, not lapar, just lapar. Lapar, hungry. Pasir, sand. Telur, egg. Y and X are used only in the spelling of borrowed words, usually English words. And there are Bahasa Melayu sounds which are represented by two letters. In other words, they can be considered as two-letter consonants. They are NG, SY, DH, GH, KH. This following has no sound. That means you must add a vowel here in the end, so that they will have sound. And NYA, like here vowel, so NYA is nya. NG has the same value as it is in English. SY is the equivalent of SH in English. It sounds like sh. DH, GH and KH are used in the spelling of words originating from Arabic, and there are no such sounds in the English language. GH almost resembles the R in the French word Paris. Paris. So R, Paris. Example: Mashghul, M-A-S-Y, mash. Ghul, ghul, mashghul, sad. This word only can be found in all literature, Malay language. For sad, in Bahasa Melayu, we don't use this word. We say sedih. Mashghul. Ghaib. Ghaib means to vanish or to disappear in Arabic. Ghalib, 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 usual or normal. And also this word we don't always use in conversation, both formal and informal. For usual or normal, we say biasa or biasa. KH is more or less equivalent to the Scottish CH in loch. Example: KHA, kha, BAR, bar, khabar, means news. Ikhlas, ikhlas, sincere. Tawarikh, history. So KH, the sound that appear in your throat. NY sound is also absent in English. It should be pronounced like the N in the Spanish word señor. Therefore, the words minyak, which means oil, should be pronounced minyak, not minyak or minyak. It's minyak, minyak. Banyak, much or many. Banyak should be pronounced banyak, not banyak or banyak. Nyanyi, to sing, should be pronounced nyanyi, not nyanyi. It's nyanyi. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video, and I hope you all get benefit from this lesson.